Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the opposite. Many things happened last time in crypto space. Many dumps, many pumps, many all around. I chose for today's episode three very nice projects. We'll see what you're thinking about. Stay till the end. I would like if you tell me the comment at least, and we'll see. Let's go to the content. The first ones will be Yfox. It's a pretty new project since October last year, and yeah, the hype was pretty big. I think maybe it will. We'll see. I don't want to talk too much for now. Next ones will be ENOL, the gas-free fee station. And the last ones will be Vechain, so perfectly for chain supplies, or supply chain, better say. So, first, let's go into it. Start straight with Yfox. Good, Yfox is showing us a price of $33.6. Sounds pretty good. It's a very good entry price. We'll having a look what is circulating supply telling us there. 3,700 and whole supply will be at least 23,000. Like I saw on their page, they had a lot of coins locked for some time, so half year or a year or so on. But let's say maybe in another episode you also can choose for later. And now we only stay at prices, what they going to telling us there. If you're looking straight up here, more than 5,000 likes, like you can see, so it's pretty much hyped project if you ask me. So if you want, choose and having a look on their Yfox website or on the Medium article they have, even on Etherscan, will be very nice to see what they did last times and since the start. So I give them the thumb up as far as I know. The feelings are pretty good about, and we'll see what is up here. On the 24-hour chart, you can see it in an accumulation. This many movements, ups and downs, and looks straight up. It's in accumulation. So look on the 7 days chart. What happened till then? So they had a pretty big dip when the whole market went down. So, but it pumped right back again. So this looks pretty good, and I think they have, yeah, they have the potential to do more as for now. Having a look on 14 days chart, if you see there the movements are bigger and still looks also in the 14 days chart as an accumulation, so pretty cool. At least this means the bottom has found and they don't go below. Depends on what investors are doing next, many buys or sells or whatever on. Everything can be. This is a free market for everyone. Having a look what they did from the start, since like you can see they pumped up $400 like I see here, $270, I'm sorry, and the trading volume was up above 2.5 million, so this is pretty hyped coin if you ask me, and there can be everything, so this can also go next day up to 100 for nothing, so without any reason, so many things can happen. Well, I would say this is a pretty good project. We'll see where they are next, what will be next time. They have a community, like I see, more than 5,000 stars for them on CoinGecko. I didn't had a look at CoinMarketCap, but that says a lot if you ask me. So let's go to ENOL, Ethanol token. What is happening there since our last episode? Like you can see, price dumped down $178, so The circulating supply, only just for your information, is very low, very low. 10,000 coins are all they ever will be. 4,000 are in circulation. So I think the possibility to grow big, much, and very hard with pumps is possible. Market cap is only 700,000, so I think there is much more in the possibility. So we'll see. I give them the thumb up. Like you all know, you can earn rewards from the gas fee when you hold this coin in your Ether wallet, also in your MetaMask especially. And yeah, less times, if you look on the 24 hours chart, it dumps a little bit, goes in a slowly down walk. On the 7 days chart, even though, so from the peak was around $240, now it's down around $180. So what does the 14 days chart tell? So this one looks to me like a real invest, not just a trading game, I would say. So on the 13 days chart, what do they telling us there? Like you can see, the movements can be pretty much, but if you look on the max chart, that's what the most important all over is. This looks like where the bottom is found, and you can see $115 are not broken down. So the support is pretty good and very hot at this point. This is a pretty good sign, and I think next time market altcoins will go up, these ones will not only follow, I think it will be one of the leaders of the top up coins. But that's not a financial advice, only take your own decisions on your research. That's just my opinion. So, and now to the last ones. This is completely different project. It's for supply chain management, especially, I would say. So, uh, and good for if to see if there are some fake brands or something else to follow back in this whole chain supply. Like you see, it's a very stable project. 36,000 people like this project, so it's pretty big, and it's like last bull run it started around. So price movement is 2.5 cents for now. Let's having a look what the price up. Sorry, I need to stop for a short time and give them the thumb up. So, like you see, 24 hours chat is not often that there you can see massive movements like $1 in or $100. It's not that easy in 24 hours. That's real life. So the movements are much slower. Mostly you need to watch some days. Let's go to the 7-day chart to see more movement. Like you can see, it's also like in an accumulation. The market is resting for now, so most coins are still in a sidewalk last days and till now also. Price in the 14 days chart, like you can see, definitely an upside trend, the movement. Let's go to the 30 days chart. What is it telling us there? It starts to telling us more movement, so more uptrend, and it's like you can see, 30 days is just a month, is upside trend. This is pretty good with some kindly dumps. It's not that bad. So, and go to the max chart. What is the max chart telling us there? Like you can see, 2080, there was the bull run, end of, it was the resting baby of the bull run, I would say. This coin moved into the market and went down. That's just normal. And Then you can see 2019, it started in a very long sidewalk below 1 cent, and since start of this of 2020, like you can see, so when at least when the COVID lockdowns were all over this world, it started to grow and grow and grow. It had a big pump, and like you'll remember, around August to September, the whole market went shortly down, and like you can see, that was not too bad. It was a good sign to accumulate and take some bottom for each of the coins, so that they can later, like you see now, if you look here, this massive pumps. And that's what it is. That's what crypto space is for. High volatility, and this project is one of the less volatility projects. So when they grow really constantly, and with support, and the bottom will grow with them at least. So I think this project will show us this year much more. As you see already now, 10 cent is easily going if they do that way forward like they did in past 3-4 months, I would say. So all good to you, all good to the investors. At least I'm gonna give you my opinion. I think all of these three projects are very interesting, have some very nice rewards in their backyard. So they are all a real good investment. Depends on what you are, if you want to trade or if you want to invest long time. You only need to take your own decision. I would like to ask you at least, what would you like at next episode? Do you prefer some coin or so on, which we should do an episode for? Please leave it at the comment. The most the project with the most comments will be done by the next episode or episode after. We'll see what happens. Hope I get many comments about it. Take a look from the opposite, and see you in the next episode. Bye.